click on the subscriber button so that you will be subscribed to my channel, and also click on the bell button so that you won't miss any of my future videos.
To make this neckline design, I just prepared my kurti pattern, that is the armhole, shoulder and the neckline. So now let me show you how to cut this. And to prepare that neckline, I'm just using this pattern fabric. So this is going to be my shoulder and this is going to be my neckline. So first I'm going to decide the depth of my neckline. So from this point, my depth of the neckline is going to be like 5.5 inches from the top. I'm just going to draw a line and connect it like a box. Okay. Okay. So it's going to go a little bit close like this, and it will have a V over here. So this is going to have a U at the top and it's going to continue to have a V. So exactly at this end point, you're going to give a nice and neat curve to the neckline connecting to the shoulder. So just leave a 1/4 inch over this point for attaching the sleeves together, and it's going to have a nice and neat U like this. So now I'm going to cut the neckline. Okay. And I'm cutting the V. So now take your pattern fabric and fold the pattern fabric in half, and you're going to place the same over this. Okay, and you're going to cut the same. Okay, so you're going to cut the V and the U neckline of this and shoulder slope like this. Okay, okay. So it's going to end over this point. So from this point till this point, you're going to have a nice curve edge like this. Okay, so I have just added a 1/4 inch for folding. So let me cut this out. Okay. And I'm cutting into the V and continue with U neckline. To this, it's going to come like this. Okay. So it's going to come exactly like this, and I'm going to sew this in and I'm going to turn the fabric. So I'm going to use a cross piece to turn the raw edge, and I'll show you how to attach these pieces together. So first I'm going to prepare the cross piece. So just place the cross piece like this. I'm just going to join the pieces together to make a long strip of piece. Okay. So to the down part of this neckline, I'm going to use this cross piece and I'm going to turn the raw edges of this pattern fabric. So all I'll be doing is I'm going to attach this cross piece on top of my pattern fabric, and I'm going to sew that together. So now I'm going to add some notches to this. Okay. So now take a wrong side of the fabric facing up. Same like that, take your wrong side of the pattern fabric facing up, and you're going to match the neckline and you're going to start sewing this. Okay. You're going to sew the neckline first, and as a continuation you're going to sew the V of the neckline. Okay, so you're going to sew the V part like this. Okay. And it's going to go all the way up. So again, you're going to add some notches to the neckline to make the neckline to turn nice and neat. Okay, and here you're going to snip the pointed tip, and again you're going to cut in. So now turn the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, make sure you take out the pointed tip of the neckline. So now I'm going to sew to the outer edge. And it's going to go inside the weave. Once after attaching the neckline, you're going to turn this fabric and you're going to attach that to your bodice. You're going to turn this fabric in like this and you're going to attach that to your bodice. Okay, concealing the raw edge inside, and you're going to attach that. Okay. So if you want, you can pin that in place and then you can sew that together. Okay. So now you can see our neckline is ready. To give a finished look over this point, I'm going to take a rope like this and I'm going to make a knot like this. Okay, and I'm going to attach it on the exact center point of this. Just placing it on top like this. You can sew that with a machine or else you can hand sew this. Okay, just like that. So you're going to sew this knot together with the fabric like this. Okay. This is going to be the end result of the neckline. I have finished sewing the dress. So I just made this neckline for my daughter. So this piece of fabric is very small because the neckline depth what I gave was little bit small because it's a child version. So if you're making for yourself, for sure the neckline depth is going to come like 8 inches till here. So it's going to have a nice and big V over this point, and you can get the fabric, you can see half the way covering your neckline. So as I made for my daughter, it just looks really simple and very neat. Also it just looks really beautiful. And if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, please do click on the subscriber button below, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up. So see you next time with a different kind of style. Take care. Bye bye.